Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Fan Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a long wheelbase transporter panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 70 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now to the front of the van, you'll notice that it's fitted with halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you'll notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. It's also got two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. This van is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Carrying on my walk around the van, you will notice it's fitted with alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. They're 16-inch. Moving up to the mirror, you will notice that the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors are heated and power folding. Moving away from the van to this side of the vehicle, it's fitted with a near side sliding door. I've now opened the manual sliding door so you can see into the back of the load area. To the back of the front seats, you'll notice a bulkhead. Moving the camera around, you will notice that the back of the load area is fully wood ply-lined. At the back of the van, you will notice it's fitted with rear barn doors without windows. The rear bumper is also fitted with reverse parking sensors. This is ideal for when you're trying to park the vehicle up in tight spaces. Moving to the centre of the doors, you'll notice the transporter badge and the VW emblem. As you can see, I've opened the rear barn doors so you can see into the load area. As you can see, there's plenty of space. Also, the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. Across the floor, you'll notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing your loads whilst in transit. Both doors come with release door catches, and this is the advantage of the catch. This particular van is painted in pure grey. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches. Moving to the doors, you will notice some handy storage. Across the dash, you'll notice cup holders and some nice storage in the centre of the dash. Moving to the back of the cab, you'll notice that it's fitted with a bulkhead, which I mentioned earlier. It's also fitted with 3 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. Also, the driver's seat has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. This now ends my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show the interior controls, and I'd also like to show you the media system in the centre of the dash. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. It also has auto headlights. To this side of the steering wheel, you'll notice media controls. To this side of the steering wheel, you'll notice cruise control. This van has covered 12,688 miles. This van is fitted with a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It also has a SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which are found down here. Now I'd like to show you App Connect. App Connect allows you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This allows you to stream your most popular apps, e.g. music or maps. I'm now going to pop the vehicle into reverse so I can show you the park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This is ideal for when you're trying to park the vehicle up in tight spaces. Moving away from the centre media screen, you'll notice that this van is fitted with a heated front screen for cold winter mornings. This van is also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. As you can see, I'm moving the temperature control switch. This fan is fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of heat. And as I mentioned at the start of the video, this is a 5-speed manual van. Now for a quick recap, this is a Transporter panel van. It's a Highline model. It's a long wheelbase. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you'd like any more information on this used 70 plate, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be able to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. And thank you for watching.